Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. And this video is going to help very few people. I had someone see the almost like a shadow on the to the right in the lower part of the page. He was saying that with his laser and rotary attachment, somehow that's interfering. I don't see how. A couple of things you could do, but I don't think it's the right way. I'm still kind of looking into it. But if you go to view and page, you can take away the border, but you take away your page. There's a couple of ways around that. You can go back to page and do a bleed, and that's gonna be your page size with these dotted lines, and it is your page size because I'm gonna hit P and put it at the center of the page. The other way you could go about it would be able to let's go back and put it back and actually take away those dotted lines. You could go to Tools, Option, Customization, and under color, you can go like a medium and then change this color. No, you don't want to do it on your desktop. Go to a, whatever color. I'm going to go down to RGB. It won't really matter. I'm just going to do a light yellow. So that gave me a area of my page, and now I can go to view and page and turn off the border. Now I have a completely white page. I don't see how that's going to help him. One other thing I guess we could try, if we put that back, go to Options, Customization, and turn this back to white, and those will go away. Now we've taken away our page, but if we go back to view, page border, and if we double click the rectangle tool, it puts a border around our page, and then we can go to view, page, and turn off the border. Now you have a rectangle around your page with no shadow, and I still don't believe it's going to be any different, but I mean, it's still working because that's the center of the page. And everything's the same. You could still work with this. I firmly believe that shadow has nothing to do, but who knows? It's a brand of laser I do not have, and maybe so. But anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.